So it turns out I actually have a lot more to do. So I'll just make this really quick because I'm going to have to actually make a much more detailed video here. What I haven't showed you is the Thesis OpenHook plugin, as well as adding my AdSense code to the site. But there's a few things I want to get done before I do that, which is write some content. So just to discuss Thesis OpenHook. Thesis OpenHook you'll find under Appearance, and if you click on this, what this plugin does is it takes a lot of the sort of the programming difficulty out of Thesis by giving you an easy way to add hooks, which are different ways to create different effects on your site. So the one thing I always do is here the default setting on Thesis is that it has your nav menu above your header. I always like to it always seems to test out better, like more AdSense revenue, if I remove the Thesis nav menu and I copy and paste this code here, copy, and I add it after the header. So now if you do add a header image, underneath that header image will be your nav menu. And the reason I do this is because it actually, with the way that I set up the AdSense, you actually end up with a better click-through rate, because what's going to happen is you're going to add a AdSense above the header image, and then you're going to add, you're going to add AdSense above the nav menu and then AdSense below the nav menu, and it ends up resulting in a higher click-through rate. So go ahead and do that on Thesis OpenHook. So you're going to remove it from before the header, and you're going to add that code into after the header. And then the other thing I do right now while you're on Thesis OpenHook is I actually go, if you have bought the developers option for Thesis, I go all the way down to the bottom to the very last hook, which is the footer hook here. Oops. There we go. And I remove the Thesis attribution, which basically is a link at the bottom saying that this blog uses Thesis. Because I have the developers version, I can do that. If you just bought the single license issue, then that powered by Thesis button at the bottom has to stay there. So that is, I'm done with Thesis OpenHook. In a future video, I will come back and we'll discuss Thesis OpenHook and how I add the AdSense code in here to get the site the way I want it to look. So that's it for now. If you want, bookmark this page or add the RSS feed. I should be adding another video here in the next couple days just to go over that. If you want, what I would suggest you do at this point is down at the bottom of this page there is a sign up. Just add your email in, it signs it up onto my Aweber list. I promise you I will not use this as a just promote everything under the sun. This is strictly will be for updating you on changes that I've done to my site. The site that I'm working on now that's in this video is a brand new site, so it's not even, Google doesn't even recognize it yet, so I need to get some content written for this site. But I'll probably update you on the results of this. This particular site that I'm working on now looks like it's going to have a very high AdSense monetary value to it, so I'll be interested to see how that goes, and I will certainly update you with that, as well as I will probably update you with a variety of different things that I think make this blogging a lot easier, in particular different plugins that I use that are actually paid plugins. So I will probably be sending you those links and reasons why I'm using those plugins, but don't worry, I'll make it worthwhile. You know, if you do end up wanting to buy the plugins and such through my affiliate link, there'll always be a bonus attached to it, so it's worth it's worth buying it. But you certainly don't have to have any of this stuff. Just sign up below, and I'll take you on a journey of how I actually start a blog from zero and we start making money with it. So I hope you appreciated these videos. Leave a comment below, tell me what you think, and we'll talk to you on the next video.